Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a brand new tip of the week. My name is Steve and we're gonna look at synth layering today. Leads actually for this track the remix that we did for Armin van Buuren. As you see, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of lead synths for this remix. And together it sounds like this. Which sounds pretty cool actually if you put it all together. Separately it sounds like this. Every synth has its own character. As you see, we've got a lower one. That's this one. We got a higher one. We got an aggressive one. Actually, sounds a little bit weird. I actually don't know what it's serum. Actually, Lucas made this one. Sounds pretty awesome if you combine it. If you play it solo, it sounds pretty weird actually. Then we have a really high one to give some hands up feeling. And if you combine them all together, it sounds like this. So the reason why we put this in this group is that you can process them together, which sounds as one synth. That's the result, what you want to get. So some compression, the T-Rex clipper, some EQing dots, Saturn. Actually, we didn't use that one. It's off. A little bit more EQing, like the harsh point is at 6.5K, so get it down there. Stereo spreader by waves. Max bass to pump it up a little bit more at low end. This actually is a really nice tool to get all your harshness go away. So we put it on minus 4.8 dB, so it won't penetrate your ears too much. Reverb on the automation. Gain generator. Some attack SPL transient designer, which makes they really pop out your speakers a little bit more. Reverb. There's some nice reverb automation going on. Then when the synth stops, it goes on. When the synth drops, it goes off. That makes it really like bah, bah. That makes it sound really really cool. Some multiband compression to get everything a little bit more in control, and at last a limiter by waves. That's what we did for this track, and in the track it sounds like this. That's what we do with synth layering, with lead layering. Hope this is a helpful thing to see from us. Next week we'll be back with a brand new tip. Bye!